Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 1040-NR. This essential document is specifically designed for non-resident aliens who have earned income from U.S. sources. It's crucial for reporting your tax obligations accurately to the Internal Revenue Service. We'll go through the steps to ensure you understand who needs to file, what income to report, and how to claim any applicable deductions or credits. Let's get started on navigating this important tax form together. Before you even begin filling out Form 1040-NR, it's vital to correctly determine your tax residency status. This involves understanding the green card test and the substantial presence test. The substantial presence test considers the number of days you are physically present in the United States over a 3-year period, using a specific calculation. If you do not meet the criteria for either of these, you are generally considered a non-resident alien for tax purposes, and Form 1040-NR is the correct form for you. When completing Form 1040-NR, you'll need to accurately report all your U.S. source income. This includes income effectively connected with a U.S. trade or business, such as wages, salaries, and certain professional fees. You'll also report fixed or determinable annual or periodical income, like dividends or interest, if applicable. Remember to explore available deductions, such as state and local income taxes up to $10,000, or certain charitable contributions, to potentially lower your taxable income. Once you've completed all sections of Form 1040-NR, it's time to finalize your return. Ensure you attach all required supporting documents, such as your Form W-2 and any other relevant schedules. Double-check all your entries for accuracy to avoid any delays. Remember to sign and date your return before mailing it to the appropriate Internal Revenue Service address. Most filers must submit by April 15th, but some, like those without wages subject to U.S. withholding, have until June 15th.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.